So we're at Elena right now.
We're at Elena and we're eating Wingstop.
Yeah. So, did you feel that?
I felt that.
Oh. Why is the chair moving?
Oh my god.
Because the world is round, it turns me on. Because
Oh my god.
the world is round. Because the wind is high, it blows my mind. Because